we've got a new project and repeat client alert going on here. We are going to be modifying this basement to make 2 bedrooms for this 6-person family, and also turning a space that we created several years ago into their amazing rec room, as well as creating a mudroom to die for. So this is the bedroom that we will be modifying. They'll be framing this wall in here. This door, I think, stays more or less where it is. We have completed most of the demolition efforts. Coming through here, we used to have a bathroom here, no longer. Through here, we've got a bedroom that we are almost finished re-renovating. This is gonna be a hallway going down towards a rec room, an office, and a gym. Over here will be a bathroom. Over the last couple of weeks, we have done or completed all of the demolition. We have done trenching for all of the plumbing. Back here, in between these walls here, we have this is the old exterior wall here. And what we've had to do is jackhammer that out. And we will be extending a hallway, basically right down here. There will be a hallway that'll extend down into their living room. We've got the walls for the laundry all framed in now. There's a new door going in just to the left of the camera in the future. Down the hallway, we go to a bathroom, gym. We've got an office over here and a rec room down the hallway. To my left here will be the washroom. And as I was saying earlier, this will be a gym workout space. Finally, this is the rec room. There'll be a fireplace, cabinets on either side, and an additional space there for people to work, desk, computer, maybe video game. A door here, a window over here. It's gonna look totally different next time we do this. Okay, so we are now in the new bathroom that we have designed and built out, and we're just waiting to get inspections, and then we'll start drywalling in I think 2 weeks from today. We've got the toilet over here, which will be underneath the bulkhead, so not gonna bang your head. The sinks, plural, 2 of them here, and still plenty of space between the vanity and the tub, which we've created a little alcove in here. This will be their new future mudroom. Behind me, the door coming in here doesn't exist yet, but it will. This will have their laundry facilities over here. This is where the old electrical panel was. There will be a sink here. There will be a bench with lockers on this side, and behind it to the right of the camera roughly will be another bench. It's going to be a great window around the corner over here that's going to allow a ton of natural light to come into this space and make it feel really welcoming. All right, and this finally is the new family room. Nice space and sitting for everybody to hang out and watch a movie or just have friends over. I am standing in the brand new mudroom, or soon to be mudroom. We now have the exterior door installed. We have the window installed. There is light galore flooding into this space. Where the camera is actually positioned is going to be where the washing machine will go. Beside it, the dryer. Over here, there'll be a laundry sink. All right, and now we're in the family room. We've got the massive windows and French door installed over here with side lights. We've got the fireplace installed now, ready to go for the television, back framing for all the bulkheads. So this is walking down the hallway towards the family room. On our left here will be a new office. And now walking down the hallway, here's the future gym, future bathroom here. This is a future bedroom. We've got most of the millwork in. Nice little desk area over here, fireplace over here. All right, so we're in the bathroom here. Things are looking really, really good. Counters are in, dual sink for the 2 of the kiddos. Nice backsplash, really clean and bright in here. Beautiful niche, nice inlay. And finally, the laundry / mudroom. There's going to be cabinets that sit on top of these benches over here. And then around the corner over here is a sink. Lots more storage. Behind me, you can see we've got the laundry machines in. Cabinets are starting to get finished up. We've got countertops in. So here we've got this amazing bathroom for these wonderful children. Office looking good. Love that corner post detail there. Trim is in, painting is more or less done, well, at least like the initial coat. So here we are in the office. Countertops are in, cabinets are done. There's some electrical finishing to get done. So when you walk through this space and you come down into this basement, it is so clean. You can't tell that this wasn't part of the original house. We've really worked hard, and we always work hard to make sure that any renovations or any additions that we do seamlessly tie into the existing home. We want it to look like it was part of the original project from day one. So it's, I think, really exciting for this client to finally, bring this project full circle. This is just another great addition for this family to enjoy their time together.